4 video generator AI, 4 model berbeda, satu pertanyaan besar, mana yang hasil videonya paling bagus? Di video ini, kita akan membandingkan Krok 3, Sora 2, Veo 3.1, dan Won 2.6 menggunakan 15 prompt text to video yang sama persis. Tidak ada narasi, tidak ada penjelasan panjang, yang ada hanya video hasil generate AI. Tujuannya simpel, supaya teman-teman bisa menilai sendiri mana yang paling realistis, mana yang paling sinematik, dan mana yang paling konsisten. Tanpa edit, tanpa trik, pure hasil dari masing-masing AI.
Sebelum kita lanjut, jangan lupa subscribe channel ini kalau belum, dan bunyikan lonceng supaya tidak ketinggalan video terbaru.
Oke, tanpa berlama-lama, kita langsung masuk aja ke prompt yang pertama. Let's go!
You won't catch me! Police, stop right there! Get down to the ground, now! Get off me! Stop, police! Move! Get on the ground! Go!
I got it. Cuffs. Done. Stay down.
Okay. Get down on the ground now. Stop resisting.
I was just thinking about how hard it is to balance everything these days. You know, work, family, trying to find time for myself. It's a real challenge, but I think it's about finding that flexibility.
I keep telling myself mornings are calmer than nights, but somehow they still sneak up on me. Coffee helps, or at least holding on to the idea of coffee does. Anyway, thanks for checking in.
The most important thing, I think, is just to start. You can't wait for everything to be perfect. You just have to dive in.
So, Snooping Marshall, all the Century asked here, their absence, like anybody got the future greens?
No! I have to get to the comp content! Come on, level out! Mayday! Losing control! Okay. Come on!
Yeah, sounds good. I'll send it over this afternoon. Talk soon.
Got it, thanks.
I'm so sorry.
Oh no. I'm sorry, Sam.
I am so sorry.
Out of the way! Stop! Ah! He's through the stand! Watch the fruit! Keep on him!
Stop right there! Police! Freeze! Don't move!
In a feat of feline ingenuity, our tabby cat takes to the skies. With paws firmly on the controls, the cat navigates the clouds with confidence. The airplane soars over the countryside, a true pioneer of the air.
High above the clouds, a feline pilot charts her own course. With steady paws on the yoke and eyes fixed to the horizon, she rides the thermals
As the golden hour bathes the peaks below, the solitary feline pilot journeys onward, miles above the world.
I told you, the boy stays with me. 不会让我做你不希望的事情。
I told you, the boy stays with me. 不要让我做你不希望的事情。I told you, the boy stays with me. 不要让我做你不希望的事情。
I told you, the boy stays with me. 不要让我做你不希望的事。
Nah, itu tadi perbandingan 4 video generator AI dengan 15 prompt yang sama persis. Sekarang teman-teman bisa menilai sendiri mana yang paling cocok untuk kebutuhan konten kalian. Tidak ada yang benar atau salah, setiap AI punya karakter, kelebihan, dan kekurangannya masing-masing. Mungkin itu saja video kali ini. Kalau menurut kalian video ini bermanfaat, jangan lupa subscribe dan share ke teman-teman kalian. Tetap semangat, tetap eksplorasi, dan sampai jumpa di video berikutnya.